Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aggy and today we're going to be making these amazing no butter cookies. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do hit the subscribe button because you'd want to refer to this recipe, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video you're going to be notified. So let's get on with the video. So you're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of sugar, granulated sugar, and half a cup of cooking oil. So you'll also need jam, but this is optional, and some dusting flour. So the first step is to sieve your flour. And you're also going to sieve in your sugar, your granulated sugar. Make sure you have granulated sugar or icing sugar. And then you're going to mix until everything is nicely combined. So the next step is to add in your cooking oil. And then now you're going to use your hands to knead. So you're going to knead your dough until it's soft and firm. So at this point, you're going to notice that your dough is very soft and it just melts into your hands. At this point, it cannot hold together. But you're still going to continue kneading just to combine everything nicely. So the next step is to dust up a clean surface. And then you're going to transfer your dough onto the dusted surface. And then you're going to continue kneading until your dough is able to hold itself together. So you're going to continue kneading your dough and adding a little bit of flour until your dough is able to hold itself together, and also until your dough is not going to be sticking on your surface. So as you can see, my dough is holding itself together, so it means that it's ready for molding. So the next step, you're going to sort of pinch a little bit of balls. This will also depend on the size of cookies that you want. If you want bigger cookies, you can always go for bigger dough or bigger balls. And if you want smaller cookies, you're also going to go for a small dough. So mine, I don't want them like really big or really small. I want them to be medium, and you can always design your cookies as you want. So this is how I'm going to design mine. I'm going to show you different designs of cookies that you can make. So after molding the balls, you're going to flatten with your hands as I did in the video, and then you're just going to take a wooden spoon and make holes at the center of the cookie dough. So I'm gonna add a little bit of jam at the holes made as in the video. You can actually just watch everything, but if you don't have jam, you can use whatever you have. If you have chocolate, you can always place them there. And if you don't have any of it, it's okay. You can just flatten your dough and sort of make designs with a spoon. You can always use the drip spoon or the spatula, the egg flipper. You can also use that. So this tray is ready, and this dough gave me 2 trays. So this is the second tray. As I told you guys, you can design as you want. You can poke them with a fork. You can just press them with a fork also. So guys, we are going to now bake our cookies. So we're going to bake our cookies in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes. And after 10 to 15 minutes, our cookies are ready. As you can see, they may appear a little bit soft when you touch them, but you're going to give them time to cool down and they'll be hard and crumbly, as you can see mine in the video. So I'm just gonna break one cookie just to show you how hard they're going to be after cooling down and how crumbly they are, and they will just melt into your mouth. So you can still make cookies if you don't have butter. So when your cookies have cooled down, you can serve them with a hot cup of tea or a cold glass of juice. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I know you'd want to refer to this recipe later on. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you're going to be notified. I really do hope that you guys are gonna try out this recipe. Don't forget to like the video and share with your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Know how it feels when we're falling in love.